Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading session. So, keep in mind, it's a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Mari mag-shift na energies or magkabaligtad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Nahulog na agad yung light bulb and the shoes. So, divine counterpart energy with the shoes. Parang it's your other half. Soulmate, twin flames, or kung ano man pwede nyo itawag dito sa connection na ito. So, it's about your partner. Tingnan natin. Other half. Target. So, this person is looking for you. No? May mga image na siya na nakikita or signs, symbols na nakikita na maaaring kung hindi mo pa nakikilala itong taong to, ay parang nakikita mo siya sa panaginip mo without a face. May image siya pero hindi mo kilala or hindi mo nakikita yung mukha niya. So, yun ang isa sa mga nakikita mo about this person na maaaring it's a sign na malapit mo na siyang matagpuan. We also have here the candle and broom. So, maganda magiging partnership ninyo nitong taong ito. And hourglass. Wow. The clock is ticking. Marami ka na kasi nakikitang signs or parehas kayo, mga nakakakita na kayo ng mga signs about this person na coming in your life. So, tingnan natin sa tarot cards. Kumbaga, binibigyan ka na ng hint kung sino itong taong ito. So, we have here the Hermit. Nahulog na agad si Hermit card natin. So, maaaring itong taong to ay mayroong malakas na Virgo placement. And this person is nagtatago pa sa ngayon. Nagtatago pa, naka-hermit mode. Okay. So, maaaring may mga iniinda pa kayong parehas na mga past failed na relationships. So, with the Ten of Swords, parang mirroring kayo nitong taong to. Parehas kayo na in the process pa siguro ng kaya nagtatago parang natatakot siya na masaktan ulit or maulit itong mga nangyari sa nakaraan. So, we also have here the King of Swords, Ten of Cups. Wow, it's completion. 10-10. Seven of Swords, ayun na nga. So, parang parehas kayo na niloko sa inyong past and gusto nyo ng talagang true connection. Kumbaga, yung matatawag yung sa inyo at hindi na kayo ipagpapalit or hahanap pa ng iba, iiwan or ganon. Kasi ayaw nyo na maulit yung nangyaring ganon. So, bottom card, lovers. Wow, tingnan nyo naman. We have the shoes and the lovers. So, this is your divine counterpart. So, magkakaroon kayo ng family nitong taong ito. Siya yung nakatadhana sa'yo. And with this, wow, may mga, tayo dito, strong, Libra, Virgo, Sagittarius, Gemini. So, yun ang mga, natin dito, specific signs na lumabas. So, tingnan natin. Sa tarot messages cards. Oh! First card. You're my twin flame. So, maaaring sa twin flame connection, I regret rejecting you. Oh! Please accept my cup of love. So, for some of you, nagkaroon na kayo ng ugnayan nitong taong ito in the past. Maaaring itong nangyari sa inyo ng twin flame mo ay nangyari in your past. Lifetimes pa. Kaya parang hindi pa siya nangyayari ngayon. Hindi mo pa siya nakikilala this lifetime. Pero yung mabigat yung separation nyo sa huling sa huling lifetime nyo nitong taong to, mabigat. Kumbaga, hindi kayo nagtagpo ulit nung last lifetime nyo. Ngayon, parang hindi na kayo pahihirapan. Eto na, makikilala nyo na siya. At i-offer na itong cup of love na ito. Waiting for you, naghihintayan na lang kayong dalawa. I want to see you this weekend. It hurts so badly. Talking to you, telepathically giving up. Bottom card, sorry, I'm wasted. Oh. So, medyo parang burnout energy. Both of you, burnout. Palaging pagod, palaging drained. Parang may gusto na mag-give up, pero hindi pwede. Hindi pwede, ha? So, tingnan natin. I love you unconditionally. I feel you even though we are apart. So, ayun, nararamdaman nyo eh. Nararamdaman nyo ang isa't isa, kahit magkalayo kayo, hindi kayo magkasama, yung presensya ng isa't isa nakikita nyo, nararamdaman nyo, nakikita nyo yung mga signs and see, mga signs na talagang this person is the one, siya yung taong para sa iyo, siya yung hinihintay mo, kaya hindi ka pwedeng mag-give up, no? Kasi ito na siya eh. Malapit na kayong magtagpo. You are the best thing in my life. I hope that you can forgive me one day. I hide behind material things. We will be together again. Just being near you is intoxicating and we both know I'm not the one for you. It was my fault but I blamed you. So, ayun, medyo malaking pagtatalo nga ito nangyari sa inyo, nitong taong ito sa inyong past life. And this time, parang magiging maayos ng lahat. And very magaan yung energy. Hindi na kayo bibigyan ng more complicated things kasi nangyari na to in your past life eh. Hindi maganda yung ending nyo in your past life. Kaya ngayon, very easy na lang ang mga energies natin dito. So, tingnan natin anong message ng Archangel. Compassion by Archangel Zadkiel. Soften your heart with respect to this situation and all the people involved, including yourself. Ayan. So, be good to yourself. Huwag mong pahirapan ang sarili mo. Ayan. Tingnan natin sa initial. Letter D, G, B, F, H, L, K, N, M yung bottom card natin. Okay. So, tingnan natin sa blue card. We have here, wow, first card, Union of Hearts. Ang lakas ng twin flame na. So, we have here, celebration. And then, wow, higher level of commitment, engagement. So, itong taong to talaga nakatadhana para sa'yo at walang sino man makakahadlang dito sa connection nyo nitong taong to or sa magiging love story nyo ng taong ito. Okay, tingnan natin. Very promising, ha? Tingnan natin, general signs and messages tayo. Sarcastic. Flower farm. Practical. North PH. Caring. 4. Very serious. Beautiful. May. Shy at first. Travel. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ayan, mirroring kayo nitong taong to eh. October. January. Oh, another twin flame. So, confirmation na it's a twin flame connection. Past person. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, and Sword, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, logical, long distance, overthinker, Luzon, chaser, may other country, popular, very loyal, and sexy body. Wow. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.